In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit pictures on Google Slides. By the end, you'll be comfortable resizing, rotating, adding borders and shadows, adjusting image settings, and cropping or masking your pictures so they look clean and professional. Start by launching Google Slides and opening the presentation you want to work on. Once your slide deck is open, tap the picture you want to edit. You'll know it's selected when you see handles appear around the image. To resize without distorting the photo, use the blue corner squares. Drag a corner inward to make the image smaller or outward to make it larger, while keeping the original proportions intact. Try to avoid the side handles if you're aiming to preserve the image's shape, since those can stretch it horizontally or vertically. If you need to rotate the image, look for the small circle that appears just above it. Tap and hold that dot, then drag left or right to tilt the picture. A slight rotation can help align an image with other elements on your slide or add a dynamic feel. Aim for subtlety so the photo still feels balanced. For more detailed controls, tap the format icon at the top of the screen. It looks like a capital A with horizontal bars. With your image still selected, this opens a panel of tools designed specifically for pictures. Inside Format, you can add or adjust a border. Pick a border color that complements your slide's theme, set the weight to control thickness, and choose a dash style if you want a dotted or dashed look. Thin, solid borders often work best for a clean, modern presentation, while heavier or dashed borders can draw attention to a specific image. Next, consider adding a drop shadow. Toggle drop shadow on to give the picture a bit of lift from the background. This adds depth and helps separate the image from text or colored shapes. Keep it subtle so the effect enhances rather than distracts. Still in the Format menu, select Adjust Image to fine-tune how your photo looks. Opacity controls transparency, which is great for layering text over an image or creating a soft watermark effect. Brightness and contrast help correct photos that are too dark, too light, or lacking definition. Small adjustments go a long way. Move the sliders gradually and stop when the picture looks natural. To trim unwanted edges, tap the image, then tap the crop icon with two overlapping right angles at the bottom. Drag the black handles to frame the area you want to keep, then tap anywhere outside the image to finish. Finally, if you want a shaped look, tap the image, open the crop icon again, and choose Mask. Pick a shape, like a circle or heart, and your picture instantly fits that form. It's a quick way to create polished, consistent visuals across your slides. That's it. Simple edits that make a big impact, all without leaving Google Slides.